How to replace a single page in a PDF using another PDF in Linux? I want to find out the easiest way to replace a single page in a multiple-page PDF with another single-page PDF in Linux. What tool is best for this? Currently I do it like this. Split PDF to single pages using psum. Replace the pages that I want to replace. Merge them using psum. Use Ghostscript to force the page size as same. Any better way?
You could use the PDF Toolkit PDFTK. Example. The output consists of the first 12 pages of ina.pdf, followed by page 3 of in.pdf, and then pages 14 until end of ina.pdf. Many Linux distributions provide a PDFTK package you can download and install using their package manager.
You could also use QPDF, which is open source. Same example as the one in the other response.
Another very nice GUI alternative is PDF Arranger. Just load both PDF files, move the page where you want it, delete the page you don't want, and save.
If you just wanted to replace the last page of a 2-page PDF with another PDF, 1 page, like me, but not trying to insert a page in between pages, it can be done like so. Note: this will replace the last page in Doc 1 with a page from Doc 2. B is like B1 and, since Doc 2 is a PDF of 1 page, so B1 or B is the same. Cat A1, taking the first page from A, or Doc 1.